Hey guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to take the opportunity and do a quick walkthrough video on this brand new 2024 Yamaha 275 SD. As you'll notice, we have this one in the all white color. It comes with the Shorelander dual axle trailer. Got some upgraded rims on it, looks really good. In the SD model, we have the hardtop, fiberglass hardtop with the skylights. Very popular with our Yamaha customers. It's also a power tower too, so that'll go down automatic, push of a button. Moving around to the stern, you'll notice some really cool features. Starting with the loungers, you'll see they're slid forward. Those are adjustable. Great spot to hang out at the sandbar and relax, super comfortable. You'll also notice the swim table and the swim seat. They're convertible, so you can do both table, both seat, mix and match. You got the center ladder here, easy in and out with grab handles. It also has a stern washdown. You got radio controls from the back as well. So lots to keep you entertained here while you're at the sandbar. Right, next I'll take you up inside and show you some of the features inside. Transitioning to the interior here, the first thing you'll notice is this super convenient flat center walkthrough. Walking straight over the top of the twin SVHO Yamaha engines with 500 horsepower combined. Spacious interior, plenty of area to hang out. You got storage underneath all your seats, all on hinges, so it's easy access to get at your belongings. Over to the wet bar over here, the galley. You have the wet bar. You have a spacious drawer here to store some belongings as well as a convenient storage to keep your cooler as well. Moving over to the passenger side, you'll notice it's spacious. You got bolstered seating, you got some cup holders. You even have a spacious head here as well. You can always use that as storage if you decide you don't want to use it as a head. And then moving over to the helm, first thing you're going to notice is this oversized touchscreen display. Comes with a lot of features. You get mapping, depth finder, all your music is going to be controlled from there, cruise control. It's got different drive modes you'll see on the steering wheel. You got this dock hold. It's got the drive system with the paddles on the back. Super convenient for low docking speeds, trying to get it into the dock. You'll have your wireless charger, some switches over there for the horn, bilge, lighting blower, all that good stuff. Dual throttle on the side. Again, bolstered captain's chair. Super comfortable space for the captain. Moving through the center, you got massive center storage here. Keep your skis, your boards, your tubes, life jackets, whatever you got along for that day. And then moving up in the bow, you'll notice it's a massive bow space up here as well. You got flip down armrests. You got storage underneath all your seats again. It's all on hinges, just like the rest of the boat. And you even have the filler cushions for the spot that I'm standing in right now if you want to complete the bed in the front. Sound system in it is by Wet Sounds. It's top of the line stuff. Great sound quality out of those. Yeah, again, this is the 2024 Yamaha 275 SD here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you guys are interested, I'd love to see you here. Otherwise, give us a call. Phone number is 704-230-0867. Hope to see you here soon.